If you think ChatGPT is just a chatbot, you're already behind in 2026. AI has transformed how we work, learn, and connect, and ChatGPT is at the heart of this change. Welcome to Idrees Tech, where we simplify AI for everyone. Today, we're breaking down ChatGPT, what it is, how it helps you every day, and how you can get started, even if you're brand new to the world of artificial intelligence. Let's make it simple. ChatGPT is an AI assistant. It understands what you ask, gives smart answers, helps you write emails, solve problems, learn faster, and even generate ideas. Imagine typing, "Write a professional email to my manager." Instantly, ChatGPT creates a polished email you can send. No need to stress over wording. It's done for you. But that's just the beginning. Picture your daily routine. ChatGPT can summarize long documents, find key points in seconds, help you learn new skills by answering questions in plain language, and generate business ideas to grow your company or projects. Instead of searching countless web pages, you get concise, helpful answers right away. It saves time. It improves productivity. It's like having a smart assistant always ready for daily life, office tasks, business, and studies. Whether you're writing emails, planning meetings, creating reports, or simply exploring new subjects, ChatGPT adapts and helps you do more with less effort. Let's look at real examples. Need to write a quick email? Just ask. Have a long document to read? ChatGPT can summarize it instantly. Want to learn a new skill, like coding or design? Ask questions, and ChatGPT guides you step by step. Starting a business or brainstorming? ChatGPT offers fresh ideas and tips. It's that versatile. The secret to getting great results? Ask better questions. If you type, "Summarize this document," you'll get a general overview. But if you ask, "Summarize this document for a manager who needs the main action points," ChatGPT focuses on what matters most. The better you ask, the better answer you receive. To recap, ChatGPT helps you save time, work smarter, and learn faster. It's your personal assistant for productivity, learning, and creativity. Ready to unlock AI's potential? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Idrees Tech for more powerful AI tutorials. Start your AI journey today and stay ahead in the digital world.